So all of our products have a really creamy, highly pigmented texture. It's gonna last all day long. It's gonna really blend into your skin. It's not gonna sit on top of your skin. It's gonna look beautiful. I'm gonna apply a bit of mahogany to the contours of my face. I'm gonna put a little bit under my chin and a little bit just around my forehead. What that's gonna do is give a little bit of definition to my face in the areas that I want it. So it's almost like, think of it like a 3. It's gonna go like this, around here. I'm then gonna use my Flora blush here, and I'm gonna put that a little bit higher up on my cheeks. We wanna have that natural rosy glow, and we're gonna pull it all the way up into your temples. We're then gonna take the rose blush, and we're gonna put it on the apples of your cheeks. Then we are gonna take this Stream highlight, which is a really natural highlight. We're gonna put a little bit just on the bridge of your nose and on the tip of your nose. Cupid's bow, which is gonna help make your lips look nice and plump. And then we're gonna kind of put it under our eye here and here, which is gonna make you look like you have that healthy glow. I'm just gonna use a little bit of the clay to blend everything in together. And then of course we have our finale powder on top to keep the look on all day long.